What about the ICP definition? Do you feel like a lot of companies fail at that, or do you think they fail at the execution stage?
Yeah, great question. I feel that everybody has a good idea of who their ICP is. What I have seen more often is positioning their solution to fit the pain point of the ICP, exactly what I was discussing before. So like, let's take Calendly, for example. They're a meeting automation tool. Everybody knows Calendly. So not a USP would be, hi, we're a great meeting scheduling tool with easy interface. Nobody cares. An actual USP would be no more back and forth emails to book a meeting. One sentence, one pain point, everybody gets it. Then it's about the execution as well. Where do you find these people? And most importantly, how do you contact them? As I told you before, prospecting takes quite a lot of energy and time. So yeah, the more time you spend looking for those leads, the less time you have for the actual calls. So I think, honestly, that teams fail because they do not have a clear strategy around what they should do, or the right tools to do that high quality research before they begin. And then again, the wrong positioning can just make them miss the mark. So to be helpful as well, to do quality research, you just need to know how to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator if LinkedIn is your channel. Use databases like, I don't know, Zoom Info, Ocean, and so on. There's so many.